reported today in The Verge. Infinite Text Adventure AI Dungeon is now available on iOS and Android. Earlier this month we told you about AI Dungeon, an AI-powered text adventure with near-infinite possibilities. You can type what you want into the game, and the AI will generate a response on the fly, creating a freewheeling experience that encourages cooperation and imagination. Now, AI Dungeon is available on iOS and Android as well, making it much easier to explore fantasy and sci-fi realms with an AI game master. We tested the iOS version briefly, and although there were a few game-breaking errors, it's generally as easy to use as you'd want. Responses to each input still take a few seconds to process, which rather slows the experience, but it's definitely quicker than the web version was, and each interaction with the AI is as surprising, and frequently delightful, as before. There are also helpful tips for newcomers, reminding you to start each of your text commands with a verb, or use quotation marks to indicate when someone is speaking. AI Dungeon's creator Nick Walton told The Verge that he's actually quit his job to go full-time on the game, and has started a company around it with a few other people. He's also running a Patreon to support development, and has attracted a healthy $10,000 a month. Walton says he's still surprised by the enthusiastic reaction to AI Dungeon, which is lauded by users as they find new ways to interact with the AI. "I thought people would enjoy it, but I've been really blown away by how much," he says, adding that reading users' playthroughs never get old, as each person works with or against the AI in a different way. "There was one where someone told the NPCs in the game that they were in a game," says Walton. "The NPCs got really depressed and sad, which made them feel surprisingly lifelike." The first step in development is to make AI Dungeon faster and more stable, he says. After that he wants to add extra features like a multiplayer mode and a family-friendly version. Right now, AI Dungeon works just fine as a fantasy porn role-playing game. Do with that information what you will, and after that, Walton says he and his new colleagues have much bigger plans in the AI game world, but won't say what right now. Exploring the dungeon is only the beginning. For more on this story, visit the news article link.